Hi, I'm Larry McReynolds. Here are a few more tips on how to use your chassis height measuring system. How do you set your zeros, save your zeros, even restore a zero. Now the first step before you even put your chassis up on the scale or rolling pads is to make sure they are level. You level them left to right and front to rear. The more accurate that you level them, the more precise your measurements will be. Once you're done with that process, roll your chassis onto the scale pads just like you're going to take weights. Now you take your sensor for each corner. Here I have the left rear. You activate the gray button to shine the laser, and you put it exactly where you want to take your measurement. Now remember this, the actual measurement is going to be about 3/8 of an inch away from the laser at the two white circles. Once you've done one corner, you repeat that process on the other three corners, and now you need to roll your chassis off the scales back onto the rolling pads. We've rolled the chassis off the scale pads onto the rolling pads. The next step is to take a level or straight edge, as I have here, hold it off the scale pad over the two white circles on the sensor. Push the gray button 3 times, it'll flash 3 times.
Left rear 0.
Followed by an audible from the actual tablet. You'll also get a 0 value on this particular corner. Repeat this process for the other 3 corners. You can now attach the sensors to the underside of the chassis. You're now ready to take your measurements by tapping the tape reading button in the center of your screen. You can also save your zero values by tapping the Save Zero button, and right here you can actually name your file. This will eliminate having to repeat the zeroing process each time as long as you use the same scaling area.